us to work harder, go faster. But when we're on our own, performing at our best is nearly impossible. Sometimes getting the most out of each workout requires a little help. Meet the Ghost Pacer, the ultimate running partner. The Ghost Pacer is the world's first mixed reality headset designed specifically by runners for runners to help you get the most out of every run and workout. With the Ghost Pacer glasses, you get a holographic training partner that you can run with anywhere, anytime. You can set the route and pace for each run through the Ghost Pacer app, giving you that extra competitive edge you've been looking for. Want to run a 5-minute mile or shatter yesterday's personal best? The Ghost Pacer will keep you on track. Through the mobile app, you can get access to thousands of runs in your area and connect to a community of millions of other runners. With the Ghost Pacer, you can race your friends, even when you can't run at the same time. Run against an avatar that matches their route and speed from a previous workout, giving you a competitive advantage and bragging rights. And as you get faster with the power of maximized workouts, the Ghost Pacer is the partner that will improve with you. Like no product before it, the Ghost Pacer is designed to push you to new limits. Anything worth doing takes effort. But with the Ghost Pacer as your partner, you won't be tackling your goals alone. Please back us today and be one of the first to get the workout partner the world has been waiting for.
Hey, I'm Joe, the founder of Rebuff Reality, the creators of VR Ears. VR Ears is here to deliver high-performance audio to all leading VR headsets, including Oculus Quest, Vive, Rift, and PSVR. I've been a hardcore VR gamer since the Oculus Rift first came out, and I continue to play as much as I can every day. Our mission is to create products that can deliver you to unimaginable new worlds inside of VR. This audio experience is so great because it's an off-ear speaker solution, which means you have a very high level of comfort when you're playing for extended durations, and also the best positional audio you've ever had in VR, where you can really feel like you know exactly where the sound is coming from. But one of the issues I've always had with VR is the discomfort that is caused by having headphones pushing against your head or in your ears and just not really feeling like you're present in the virtual world.
My name's Aaron Waplington. I've been in the consumer electronics industry for the last 15 years. With the area of virtual reality headsets, it's opened up a whole new product category for audio. Joe, approached me about this idea about creating a off-ear speaker solution that could be utilized to a variety of different headsets. It creates a unique experience for the user, one that gives you a far superior sound performance than what's built into the product.
We optimize the VR ears for ease of use with our modular attachment mechanism. And to provide the 8 hours of premium immersive audio, we utilize a high-efficiency amplifier, digital signal processor, and internal battery to enable a near-field speaker driver experience. And now with the head strap, you can harness this premium audio outside of VR for movies, music, and desktop gaming.
That's why we created VR Ears, to give you this very comfortable audio experience of having speakers sitting off your ears that also creates a sound environment, a world of sound that you're in the middle of. Where you can just tell where enemies are coming from. So whether you're playing Beat Saber and Pistol Whip or your favorite VR game, you're always going to get the drop on your enemies.
natural. It felt like it was already there. It felt like I was a part of it. It felt like it was meant to be that way, honestly.
The sound was very crisp and clear, and it was very deep. I could really hear everything going on really well. This is a lot better than like the default that comes with the Rift. Yeah, these are really good.
Oh yeah, gigantic difference.
I'm getting a better stereo field.
Right.
I'm getting more full frequency, which enhances the immersiveness of the environment.
The audio is definitely more refined. Yep, very much so. No, the audio definitely feels much better.
Absolutely, that was astonishing.
How'd it sound?
It's amazing, right? I mean, it just really sounded 3D.
The sound is way better. Like,
Incredible.
Yeah, it was night and day.
To see that our product brings so much happiness to other people. For me, it was one of the greatest moments in my life. Just see the emotion, and that's what is it about, to get more emotion from sound. It's like you're getting completely into a new world.
Wir von Feelbelt haben ein Produkt entwickelt, was das komplette Sounderlebnis revolutionieren wird und dir das geilste Musik- und Sounderlebnis geben wird, was es jemals gab.
We developed a wearable which converts all audio signals into haptic feedback and put it on your body. I love computer gaming and I love to do it with the Feelbelt, and it's amazing if you can feel the explosion and you can feel the action when it's happening. Yeah, it's like I'm in the game and can relax really good by playing games and using Feelbelt.
Wir schaffen es das erste Mal, dass du tatsächlich von 0 bis 20.000 Hertz alle Frequenzen spüren kannst. Also das heißt, auch nicht fühlbare Frequenzen fühlbar zu machen.
Inside the wearable are 10 impulse generators, and the impulse generators put on the different audio signals on your body.
Wir haben ein gutes Team gegründet. Es hat gute 3 Monate gedauert, bis dass wir ein echt tolles Produkt entwickelt haben. Ja. Unser komplettes Produkt ist made in Berlin mit extrem guter Qualität und wir greifen daher nur auf regionale Partner zurück. Und eine Sache liegt uns sehr am Herzen: Unternehmer können dafür was tun, dass die Welt besser wird. Und wir pflanzen für jedes verkaufte Produkt einen neuen Baum in unserer Region. Jeder, der Musik liebt, der wird den Feelbelt auch lieben. Und dabei ist unrelevant, ob du Klassikmusik hörst oder ob du Popmusik hörst oder ob du Death Metal hörst. Du wirst noch tiefer in dieses komplette Musikerlebnis abtauchen können mit dem Feelbelt.
You got different settings for different applications, for example music or gaming.
Also wir sind am Stand heute schon extrem weit. Wir sind an dem Punkt, dass wir unser Design festgelegt haben. Wir werden ihn in 2 verschiedenen Varianten rausbringen, einmal in weiß und schwarz. Am Ende des Tages geht es jetzt nur noch darum, die Massenproduktion vorzubereiten, um dann an euch auszuliefern. Unterstütze uns, das Sounderlebnis zu revolutionieren, und werde auch du Teil des Feelbelt-Movements.
We're running this Kickstarter campaign to make sure Feelbelt is for everyone. We will ship worldwide. You can order it in black or white, so get your own one and enjoy.